opposite corner. Opposite corner again.
Put the bag here so if you want to take a photo, you can actually get those. It's your bag, yeah.
All right. So now basically we have a big X on our piece of paper, right? Now even if you have the same color page, flip it over and now fold it with the same corner to corner into a rectangle. Now flip your paper over. Flip the whole paper over. Yeah, there you go. And then now your beautiful pattern is showing. And now open that and fold in the other direction. So now you have the other opposite four corners touching in the rectangle. So now when you open it up, it's like a starburst. Beautiful. Okay, now it should look like this. Does it look like a beautiful? Yes. Now this is what I tell the kids. It works, so I'm going to tell you. Imagine your parents are putting you to bed. They kiss you good night, you lay down, and then you put the covers on. Lay it down. You go opposite corners come up. Lay down and put your covers on. So you have a square, right? Opposite corners touch, lay down, fold the cover over. There you go. Yeah. You got it. Okay, now you have an open end and a closed end. With the open end, keep the open end always at the point. It is the point. Now you have a center line. We're going to fold this outer corner of your square to the inner line along that inner fold down to a point. You're actually sort of making the shape of a kite. Like that. Right? And there's four sides. You do. Yep, you're right. You're going to do this side to this because there's four. So you go like that. And then you flip it over and you do the other side, matching the one underneath. So it looks like a kite. Looks like a kite. It's okay.
They still give them well. And then we do that 4 times.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, now you see the kite and you see, like imagine the bar of a kite. You're going to fold that over like that and press. And then flip it over and fold it backwards so that it basically goes back and forth. Yeah, exactly. So we have a kite.
Trying to get it on the crane folding?
Okay, yes, right here.
Yeah. Or Misha, you can sit here either.
This is the president of Reimagine.
Hello.
Yeah, and this is our president of the Memorial Crane Project.
All right, and so then what we do is the open end. We're going to open it back up when it's in the square. Open it back to the square shape. Yeah, open those flaps because those were just the scoring. Now we're back into the square. You're going to remember that fold. We're going to bend it back against that fold, reverse it, and create what looks like lips, or I sometimes say a boat. Because for some reason, all my references are body parts. Kissing and body parts. Oh yeah, there was a kite. Right. Yeah. That's good. And now we have the boat shape, right? Perfect. Flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Open that back up. You guys are awesome, guys. A lot of people get confused on that. Open it up. It's like a bird's feet.
Open it back
Like
up.
that. All the way down.
Like finesse it a little bit, massage it a little, and then kind of make it.
And then it's 2 lips. You make it back into the square on this side. And then fold it back again. Reversing that. And then you have lips on the Yes, and then just lay it down. You got it. All the way down.
And then we do it again this way.
Okay. Now remember the open ends, the legs, dancing legs. Keep those at the point. Now we're going to take this edge, fold it into the center, and now we're going to do all 4 flaps again and make it dark. So same thing, the outer corner down to 0, and you're going to make the shape of a dart. Where are your dancing legs? Yep, and then that's the 0. Fold the outer edge of the point of your diamond in on all 4 flaps. Good, you're good. Down to, so this is your dancing.
Okay, I got texted on something.
Like that, and then copy it on the back side. And it looks like this, a dart. Yeah.
I have to go. I have to go far.
You are almost finished. Do both sides. We're 3 steps away. Margaret, you're there. You're there. All right. Yep. That's your dart. Do the back side real quick. Yep, you did it. Do the back side. There's only 2 more steps after this. Okay, now, cha-cha-cha. Dance up, pitch, dance back, pitch, leg up, pitch, leg back, pitch. Right? Now that's a score. We scored the fold. Put the legs back down.
Where did I take my leg up?
Hold it up, pinch on both edges. Yeah. Yep, and you can arrange it later. Now we're holding it at one side, open this side, flip this, reverse it, and fold, and then pinch the opposite direction. Open this, where we did the cha-cha-cha, fold it backwards and pinch. You got it, you got it. It's there. Fold it, open it up, fold it back, reverse it, and pinch. And then you're going to fold down for the head. Fold one, choose one for the head. And now you're going to gently hold the wings in your hand, your thumbs in place, rock it back and forth, and you have your frame. So I'm here. You got it.